Here's Lillian. We're outside working, cleaning up the pool yard, getting it ready for this summer. We got our place right there. That's where we hang our movie screen. We watch movies outside on our projector. She loves it. But got to get the pool ready, start draining it, get it set up for the kids. Let me see if Lillian will swim. We got a mess going on with our little supply hut. That's what the boys call it. Got to get that fixed up. It took a beating over the winter. And there's our tiki hut. We made the tiki hut. Got my banana trees planted back there. Got them ready to go. She's looking at the guys working in the pasture. Got to get that reed fixed on the fence there. She sees the dogs through the fence. Look, there's Bobby. See Bobby? See Bobby? Look, there's Bobby and Brandon. Here's Lily and Louise at Uncle Bob's house. As you can see, the counters are all cleared off. He clears them off right before we get here because that's where she likes to hang out. Whoop! She fell in the sink. Oh, she's got her little baby with her. But he always fixes her a nice dinner. She's got grapes and blueberries, half an egg and some almonds. And then he keeps the water slowly dripping so she can get a drink. She's spoiled at Uncle Bob's house. Hi. Are you having fun, Lillian? Hey, are you having fun, baby? Whoop. Look at the mess she's making.